Hello learners, how are you all? Today we will start a new chapter on the Delhi Road by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author. Ruskin is considered as one of the most loved authors for children's fiction. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, was written by him when he was just 17 years old. Since then, he has penned down more than 40 books for children and many short stories, essays, and novels. Now, let's start the chapter on the Delhi Road. Road travel can involve delay and mishaps. Okay, mishaps means accidents. Okay, write these meanings. Mishaps means accidents. Road travels can involve delays and mishaps, but it also provide you with the freedom to stop where you like and do as you like. Okay, means road travels involve delay. Here the in first line the author giving us the disadvantage of road travel. Okay, that in road travel it involve delay. Okay, we are late sometimes. Okay, and mishaps also. In road travel accidents also happen, but it also provide you with the freedom. Here it is here the author has given advantage also. The road travel provide us freedom also, freedom to stop where you want to stop. Okay, where we want to stop and do what we like. Okay, I have never, the author saying that he had never found it boring. He had never found road traveling boring any time. 7 hours drive from Mussoorie to Delhi can become a little tiring. The author is saying that 7 hours taken from Mussoorie to Delhi traveling. Okay, it takes 7 hours from Delhi to Mussoorie. Can become a little tiring toward the end. Okay, it became a little tiring. But as I did not drive myself, but the writer was not driving himself. He appointed driver for it, so he was not tired also. I can sit back and enjoy everything that the journey has to offer. The author is saying that he sat back and enjoy the journey. Okay, because he appointed driver, so he enjoyed by sitting back seat. I have been to Delhi 5 times in the last 6 months, something of a record for me. The author is saying that in last 6 months, he went to Delhi five times. Okay, that was a record for him. Okay, that was a record because in only 6 months he went there. He went Delhi 5 times. That was like a record for him. And on every occasion I have travelled by road, and every occasion he liked to travel by road only. I like looking at the countryside, passing scene, people along the road, and this is something I don't see anymore from trains. Okay, the author is saying, author said here that from the in bus in road traveling he was able to say countryside, passing scene, people along the road. Okay, and from the and this is something I don't see anymore from train, and from train he was not able to see all these scenes. Why? Because the frosted glass window of the train. Okay, because of glass windows. Okay, thick frosted glass window of the train, he was not able to see all these scenes, and he was cut off from the outside world. On my last trip, we had to leave the main highway. What happened in his last trip? They left the main highway because of some disturbance near Meerut. Instead, they drive through about villages. Okay, they drive through. They taken another road that was from villages, dozen villages in the prosperous sugarcane belt that dominate this area, and they choose villages. They leave the main highway and choose villages to go to the Mussoorie. Okay, Delhi, and that was a prosperous sugarcane area. Okay, the sugarcane farm. He had seen their sugarcane farm that dominate this area. Here the meaning of dominate means influence that area. Okay, because sugarcane farm that look very beautiful and it dominate that area. Dominate means influence. Write the meaning in your notebook. Dominate, influence, mishaps, accident. It was a wonderful contrast leaving the main road. Okay, wonderful contrast here meaning contrast means different from another. Okay, that road travel by bus, means urban area to rural area. Urban area is totally different from the rural area. In main road, the author seen the cafes, petrol pump, factories, management institutes, and entering the rural hinterland where very little had changed in 100 years. Hinterland, meaning of hinterland is a region away from urban land. Okay, hinterland means region away from urban land. Okay, so the main road that was full of cafes, petrol pumps, factories, and management institute, and the rural area was totally different, where very little had changed in 100 years. In 100 years there was very little change. Now also women worked in the field, old men smoked hookah in their courtyard, and few children were playing gulli danda instead of cricket. Okay, they playing gulli danda, because nowadays children are playing only cricket, but there he had seen that children are playing gulli danda. That was very surprise for him. It brought home to me the reality of India, and this was the reality of India. Urban life and rural life are still poles apart. Still poles apart means completely different. Urban life and rural life both are completely different from one another. These journeys are seldom without incident. Okay, here the author is saying that these journeys are seldom. Seldom means rarely, right? Meaning seldom, rarely. Rarely any journey complete without any incident. Okay, the author is saying that any journey rarely complete without any incident. What happened here? One incident, he said that when he, in this chapter many incident written. This is the first incident. What happened in that? He was sipping a coffee at a wayside restaurant. When he was sipping a coffee, when a foreign woman walked in. Okay, in that restaurant a foreign woman came and asked the waiter if they had a la carte. What is the meaning of la carte? It is a food item of in French. Okay, roadside stops seldom provide menus. You know that in roadside stops, this means rarely they provide menus, nor do they go in for French, nor the people for that menus. They can't go to French, but our waiters wanted to be helpful. But the waiter of that restaurant was very helpful, so he led the tourist outside. He that tourist, mean that woman, outside, and showed her the way to the public toilet. Okay, and waiter showed her the way to the public toilet, because maybe the waiter did not understand the meaning of la carte. You all understand the meaning of la carte? It is a food item. Okay, but our waiter wanted to be helpful and he showed her the way to the public toilet. Maybe the waiter did not understand the meaning of the la carte. As she did not return to the restaurant, what happened? That woman did not, after that incident, the woman did not return to the restaurant. So I have no idea if she eventually found a la carte. So he did not have any idea, means Ruskin Bond. Okay, author did not have any idea eventually found a la carte or not. Okay, eventually means in the end she found la carte or not. Okay, this is all about today's. Then I hope you all understand. Next I made some question for you. Write this question in your notebook and answers also. Write meaning of mishaps, dominates, seldom, and contrast, and number 5, eventually. Next question is, how long does it take to travel from Delhi to Mussoorie? How many times did the author go to Delhi? Why was the writer not tired? Why did the author leave the main highway? You all get these answers also in this passage, in first passage. Okay, from first passage you will get all these answers. Okay, I hope you all understand. Thank you.